This motorcycle has slept here longer than my life. The jungle tried to take it back.
I was abandoned, and the forest slowly consumed me. Thank you, thank you. Please, give it a second life.
I am no longer forgotten.
I have been buried here for centuries. Moisture and soil slowly consumed me.
My chain is frozen. Rust locked every movement. Moisture lived beneath me. Every bolt slowly corroded. Every vibration echoes through my rusted bones. This place may bring me back to life. My engine is seized. Oil dried and corrosion took over. My fuel tank rusted from inside. My electrical nerves were eaten and broken. My breathing system was completely blocked. My heart is out. Please repair it.
I can move again, slowly.
My bearings wore out and locked me forever.
My scars are being healed.
My clutch was stuck. I could not transfer power.
My oil could not flow. That is why I died.